The app that we are going to build today is a landing page. I'm going to show you how the page is structured. First, we have here the name of the company. In this case, I decided that it's going to be Astro Launch. Nothing is special about the name, just randomly. And then we have here in this case, four navigation options. The first one is features, pricing, contact, and then the sign up, which is a button. So if I go to features, this will be going to this section here that says build for speed and scale. And here we have a tab, or we have a card that has different tabs. As you see here, on each tab we have a different content. Then if I go to pricing, we have here 3 boxes that, as you see, if I hover to each of them, we have like a smooth transition. This one is scaling, and this one is moving to the top. So, but all of them are using transitions and also some box shadow. If I go to the section of contacts, you see here that we have a form that is wrapped on a card. We are asking for the inputs of name, email, message, and then the button of send message. And here at the top, which is the hero section, as you see, we have some animation here when we are hovering about over these 2 boxes here. And then we have here some text, paragraph, 2 buttons. Also, another thing that I need to tell you is that if we go to the mobile resolution, let me see, just click on inspect here, and we go to mobile, you see that is also responsive. So we are going to be covering also responsiveness on this application. So in this way, you get more familiar with media queries. We have worked with media queries before on other videos, but in this one also, we are going to be emphasizing more about what is this topic. So let's jump right now to the coding session.